Selling your iPhone. Here's how to erase your iPhone permanently. Part 1. Free methods to wipe your iPhone. First, back up via iCloud or iTunes. Then, unpair your Apple Watch. Open the Watch app, My Watch, tap the I icon, Unpair. Remove Find My iPhone, go to Settings, Your Name, Find My, turn off. This disables activation lock. Eject the SIM tray, use a paperclip. Then, sign out of iCloud, iMessage, and FaceTime to sever all ties. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, erase all content in Settings. Enter your passcode and confirm. Standard resets leave recoverable traces. For sensitive data, banking apps, private photos, upgrade to a secure wipe. Part 2, Paid Solution, Anti-Recovery Erasure. Use MagFone iOS System Recovery's Anti-Recovery Erasure to make recovery impossible. Select Anti-Recovery Erasure. It scans for recoverable files, even deleted ones. Click Erase Now. MagFone wipes data and reinstalls iOS. Post Erasure. Use free tools to confirm no traces remain. Part 3, Post Reset Checklist. Test the iPhone, ensure it boots to the Hello screen. Disclose minor damage, honesty avoids buyer disputes. Remove it from trusted devices, visit appleid.apple.com, devices, remove.